Hello everyone, this is an unboxing video of the DJI OSMO Action camera. This is not a promoted video, this is only simply an unboxing, and later I will make a review about this product. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy my content. First of all, we can see an image of the camera with a splash effect, and on the top we see OSMO Action, which is a model. And on the bottom left side of the box we can see the logo or the brand DJI. They are very known for their drones, but they are making already for several years also action cameras, and those are also great products of them. On the right side of the box we see the logo again. Here we can see much more information. They are promoting their dual screen, which is a nice feature. They are also showing that they have 4K resolution recording and 60 frames per second and other nice things. It's a waterproof camera, and they also are advertising their app that you can get on Google Play Store or Apple App Store. They are also indicating that it works with iMovie and Final Cut Pro X, which are of course video editing software. On the left side we see the website dji.com. On the top there is nothing, and on the bottom there are some serial codes which I will not show. I've seen a lot of positive reviews about this product, but of course now it's 2021 and this is a dated model. It's been already on the market for several years, so I will make a video review myself on this product, and hopefully I can advise you whether or not it is worth to buy this still in 2021. Let's open the box. It's open like this, and we see the camera straight away. Let me put this on the side. Then there is another box here and the silica bag, and let's check the contents of this box. Put this box on the side. It looks really nice, but of course we will have a closer look later. Let me just first start with this box with the extra contents. What do we have here? This is a charging cable, a file transfer. It's a USB type A to C cable for file transfer, but also of course for charging the device. It's a really short cable, which is a bummer, but yeah, I have myself longer cables so I can replace it, but still it's a shame that it's a really short cable. But still it's useful for a power bank. This is the screwing tool to fix your camera to the mount. Then we have an attachment tool. You can paste this on a helmet or whatever, on a bike or whatever you want. Then another attachment tool. The other one was curved, this one is flat. It's nice that they include it. And then we have a box, probably the battery. There's the DJI logo on it. It's a nice finish. Yeah, it is a battery. People advise that you should get several spare batteries if you like to film outdoors. I will use this more for indoors filming. Then what else? In the box they have information card, they refer to the website and some booklets. Now let's check the product that you came for, the camera of course. It looks really nice. Let me unseal it so you can have a closer look. As you can see, it's a really nice model. I really like this model. This is the top view. You have the record button on the left, on the right you have the on-off button. Left side, this is the big display on the back side. It's nice that they've included the instructions on the removable plastic. So you can see which button does what. It's a nice addition. And here you see the quick switch button. You can quickly switch from different modes that you've pre-configured. So that's a useful addition to it. And what you see here is the case, so you can remove it. The actual camera is inside of it. This is the case to attach to the mount, so we shall remove it to have a better look. I must say the build quality is really good, so I'm looking forward to use it. There we have it. So this is the mounting case. Apparently you can unscrew the lens and replace it easily, which is not the case with all action cameras. That's also a nice feature. Let's remove the strips. The screen looks really nice. I will try to turn it on later on if there is still battery charge on it. Front side again, you can see the logo OSMO Action. And I must say, it is really great quality. You can feel it. It has a nice weight to it. It's not like light plastic. And no, I really like it. The design is also great. It looks like a little bit vintage. There we have the opening for the battery. Put it inside. You have to push it on both sides, otherwise it will not work. There we are. And you have on the bottom side also nice indicators that show you whenever you've inputted the battery on the right way, because of course it's a waterproof camera, so it's a nice addition that they put some indicators to be sure whether or not you've sealed it correctly. And this is how the screen looks, but I will stop the video right here guys, because I will make another video of the review of it and will hopefully tell you whether or not this product is worth it to buy still on 2021. Thank you very much for watching. This was my first review on my channel. I hope you liked it. If you have any remarks or comments, please put them down on the comments below. If you have any requests, feel free to add them also on the comments down below. Please like and subscribe to stay up to date with my videos. Thank you very much. Bye.